Hello everyone, welcome to YellowGreys. In this video, I will talk about do while activity control flow in UiPath. Go to UiPath Studio, create a new process, provide the process name as do while activity. And provide the description as this is an example of do while activity. Then click create. Now click on main workflow in the designer panel. Here is your workflow panel is ready to add the activities. Before we start, we need to understand what do while activity is. The do while activity enables you to execute a specified part of your automation while a condition is met. The project exits the loop when the specified condition is no longer met. Do while activities are evaluated only after the body has been executed once. To show how to use a do while activity, let's create an automation that increment an integer variable from 0 to 10 and displays a message every time it is incremented. Drag and drop a new sequence and name the sequence. Go to variable panel, create an integer variable. I will create a variable name as int counter with a default value of 0. Drag and drop the do while activity to the designer panel and drag and drop assign activity in the body section and name the activity. Select the assign activity and in the property panel, in the to field, call the int counter variable and click OK. In the value field, call the variable int counter and type +1. This helps you increment the value of variable with 1 and click OK. Drag and drop a right line activity under the assign activity. In the text field, type the counter is within double quotes, then type plus, then call the variable int counter, then followed by type .toString and click OK. This writes the value of the counter in the output panel each time it is incremented. In the condition section of the do while activity, call the variable int counter and type <10. The body of the do while activity is repeated until the value of counter variable is bigger than 10. Go and run the process. The automation is executed. Note that the output panel displays the message indicated in the write line activity. Thank you for watching. Connect with us for more tutorials.